Hi, my name is Atira Shizani Binti Abdulaziz, and for my part, I will talk about the introduction of this video.
Hi, my name is Danica Sawa, and for this part of the video, I will be explaining about the methodology of this experiment.
Hi, I'm Intia Sharmila Anak Terence Diko, holding the matrix number 2018283388, and I am going to do the results, also the conclusion parts for this experiment.
For this high-performance liquid chromatography video, this experiment is about the determination of organic acids in olive fruit by HPLC. The aim of this experiment is to determine the amounts of organic acids found in olive fruit by using direct HPLC method. Next, for the introduction of HPLC. High-performance liquid chromatography, or commonly known as HPLC, is an analytical technique used to separate, identify, or quantify each component in a mixture. It is most widely used because of its sensitive, ease of automation, and ready adaptability to accurate quantitative determinations. The mixture is separated using the basic principle of column chromatography and then identified and quantified by spectroscopy. HPLC is thus basically a highly improved form of column liquid chromatography. Instead of a solvent being allowed to drip through a column under gravity, it is forced through under high pressures of up to 400 atmospheres. Next, for the principles of HPLC. The purifications take place in a separation column between a stationary and a mobile phase. The stationary phase is a granular material with very small porous particles in a separation column. The mobile phase, on the other hand, is a solvent or solvent mixture which is forced at high pressure through the separation column. Via a valve with a connected sample loop, for example, a small tube or a capillary made of stainless steel, the sample is injected into the mobile phase flow from the pump to the separation column using a syringe. Subsequently, the individual components of the sample migrate through the column at different rates because they are retained to a varying degree by interaction with the stationary phase. After leaving the column, the individual substances are detected by a suitable detector and passed on as a signal to the HPLC software on the computer. At the end of this operation, a chromatogram in the HPLC software on the computer is obtained. The chromatogram allows the identification and quantification of the different substances. So as you can see here, this is the instrumentation of HPLC. For this experiment, the researcher is using Perkin-Elmer Series 200 model HPLC instrument. There are 6 systems of instrumentation of HPLC. The first one is the solvent reservoir, the second one is the pump, the third one is the injector, the fourth one is the column, the fifth one is the detector. In this experiment, the researcher is using UV absorbance detector, and the last one is the data collection device.
Methodology. In this experiment, it requires 3 types of olives: Mamacic olives, dormant olives, and black olives. These olive samples were kept frozen at negative 18 degrees Celsius until the analysis. Next, the chemicals used in this experiment are oxalic acid, malic acid, citric acid, succinic acid, HPLC grade water, and methanol. Firstly, standard solutions were prepared. Stock solution of oxalic, citric, malic, and succinic acids were prepared in the mobile phase consisting of 0.1% of phosphoric acid solution. Next is the extraction of organic acids from the olive roots. 20 grams of olive root sample was thawed at room temperature, then mashed well in a mortar. Then, 10 ml of water methanol solution was added and the mixture was centrifuged at 25 degrees Celsius and 3,500 rpm per minute for 30 minutes. The upper phase was filtered using the filter paper and the centrifugation was repeated 3 times. The filtrates were then collected. In this part of the experiment, a Perkin-Elmer Series 200 model HPLC apparatus was used. The machine is equipped with a UV absorbance detector set at 240 nanometer. The chromatographic separation was performed on a Shodex R-Spec KC118 model of ion exchange organic acid column. The mobile phase was 0.1% phosphoric acid in distilled water with a flow rate of 0.8 ml per minute. The mobile phase is a liquid that flows through the chromatography system, moving the materials to be separated over the stationary phase. 50 microliter aliquots of each standards were injected onto the column and the retention times were determined. After injecting the sample, chromatographic peaks were identified by comparing the retention times of the sample with the known standards.
This is the results for this experiment. Table 1 shows the retention time and recovery values of standard solution. Next is the standard chromatography for organic acids, where peak 1 is oxalic acid, peak 2 citric acid, peak 3 is malic acid, and the fourth peak is succinic acid. Table 2 shows the amount of organic acids in different types of olive fruit. From this table, it is shown that malic acid has the highest value and followed by citric acid, succinic, and oxalic acid for all of the samples. As for the highest amount of organic acids in olive fruit, Uslu is the highest, then Membache, and lastly Doma. As a conclusion, HPLC is suitable to determine the organic acids in olive fruit. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.